You will love the features of this 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a plush and practical Mercedes-Benz E-Class, equipped with a suite of features to prioritize safety, all-weather capability, and comfort. This family-friendly vehicle brings confidence and elegance to every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, heated mirrors. Relax and enjoy the confidence that comes with practical luxury in this E-Class. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.